Accounting and business studies මේ subject එක අමාරු. What you need to understand? You need to understand 5 elements. What are these 5 elements? Accounting, business studies. නැත්නම් commerce කියන subject එක ඉතාමත්ම ලේසි. Accounting and business studies මේ subject එක අමාරුද නෑ. මේක තමයි ලේසිම subject එක. Right? What you need to understand? You need to understand 5 elements. What are these 5 elements? Assets, liabilities, income, expenses and equity. මේ දේවල් පහ හොඳට තේරුම් ගත්තොත් accounting business studies නැත්නම් commerce කියන subject එක ඉතාමත්ම ලේසි, right? So what you need to do, for example, you go to a shop, you need to understand that this is a business, and then you go to a supermarket and you need to understand there is inventory, right? So you go to these places, you need to understand, and then you see a sale transaction, you need to remember what 4 P's of marketing, right? Marketing mix, there are 4 P's: product, price, place, promotion.